Welcome. Now, the displacement of displacement yes of particle moving in one direction under constant acceleration is related to the time t as t equal to root s plus 3. Find the displacement of particle when velocity is 0. Here, the time is equal to root s plus 3. The given equation is t equal to root s plus 3. Here asked to find what is displacement when the velocity is 0. Here I need of s in terms of v. S in terms of v. So here what is that? T root s t minus 3. Clear? Then making square of both sides. This equation become very smooth. T minus 3 whole square equal to root s square. So now t minus 3 square equal to s. Now it is s equation, s in the terms of t. This t can be expanded as s equal to t square plus 3 square minus 2 of t into 3. S is equal to t square plus 9. 2 3s are 6. 6t. This is now we got normal equation. So it is differentiable form s with differentiation of displacement with respect to t. Now very easy, ds by dt can be written as 2t 2 minus 1 1 plus 9 9 when differentiation of constant becomes 0, then 6 of 1. Now this equation become 2t minus 6, that is velocity. When velocity becomes 0, what is time? The velocity 0 at time t equal to what? So 2t minus 6 equal to 0 plus 6 equal to 2t, t equal to 6 upon 2, that is equal to 3 seconds. During the third second, velocity will be 0. Then at that velocity will be 0. What is the displacement? At the third second, displacement must be what? Displacement equation is like that. Displacement equation equal to s is equal to s is what actually? T minus s square. S is equal to t square plus 9 minus 60. Clear? At 3, what is the 3? At 3 square plus 9, 6 of 3, 3 3s are 9 plus 9, 6 3s are 18 plus 18 minus 18 becomes 0. So displacement becomes 0. At third second, the position of body is at 0. Clear? Then it is very simple sum, but it is a tricky is that the given equation is under root s is under root. Only it is found as a tricky. Then we will move on next sum. Next sum, what is next sum is a particle is moving such that the velocity is given by v equal to root of 2 lambda into s, where lambda is constant, s is displacement, and 2 is also constant, v is the velocity. Now v equal to 2 lambda s power 1 by 2. Just this is a constant as a coefficient of s. So now we'll differentiation of v with respect to s. Actually, we here there is not, v is a function of displacement. To find acceleration, what we need to do? So first of all, dv by ds, then multiply v, which is gives acceleration. Clear? Actually, this is chain law. When you when ds by dt into dv by ds. So just look at here, ds cancel, dv by dt, it is equal to acceleration. Indirectly, we can know it is acceleration, chain rule. So now v equal to root 2 lambda s 1 by 2 s power minus half. So that is root 2 lambda divided by 2 s power minus 1 by 2. So can be written as 1 by 2 under root of 2 lambda by s. So this is what dv by ds, dv by ds. Clear? dv by ds. Now this equation multiplying with v, velocity already know, v equal to root 2 lambda s power 1 by 2. Just multiplying this with this, and it will equal to acceleration. So dv by ds into v, which is equal to acceleration. So we can have that what is that, equal to acceleration equal to v. What is v? What is dv by ds? Half under root of 2 lambda by s into v. Velocity will be 2 lambda under root s power 1 by 2. Just making all the things and cancelling all the things, we will get one thing. So when root here 1 by 2, there is a root 2 and a root 2, here root 2, here also lambda, here also lambda into lambda. So there is 2 lambda, and here also s power under root, here also s power 1 by 2. This and this same will cancel each other. This become 2 and this become 2, cancel each other. This become 2, root 2 into root 2 become root lambda into root lambda is equal to lambda. So which is gives us lambda only the answer. Lambda only the answer. Everything cancel out. So remaining as lambda. So acceleration is lambda, which is constant acceleration. Clear? And so this is easy sum, but here is a tricky one is we have to use this principle, this law, dv by ds into v as a chain rule. So other things are very simple. Okay, now we'll move on next to sum. A particle moves in a straight line as S is equal to alpha t minus 4 plus beta t minus 4 square. Find initial velocity and acceleration. Clear? Initial means t equal to 0. At a t equal to 0, what is velocity? What is acceleration? For this velocity, as the velocity, we need to find s is the function of time. So we need to differentiation of displacement with respect to time, so that we can find that answer. So when dv by ds by dt, which is equal to velocity, s is equal to alpha t minus 4 plus beta t square plus 4 square plus 2 t into 4, sorry, minus, then we'll make a differentiation. S is equal to alpha t minus 4 alpha plus beta t square plus 16 beta minus 2 fours are 8 beta t. So this is the general form. So we can understand ds by dt. So this is alpha. This is equal to 0 minus 0. This is 2 beta into t, and 16 beta will become 0 because those terms are constant. So 16 beta are constant. 16 beta is a constant, so that it becomes 0. 0 minus 8 beta of 1. Clear? Now it is simple equation. Alpha plus alpha minus alpha minus 8 beta plus 2 beta t. So this is velocity, just taking alpha minus 2 beta, taken as a 2 beta, just here 4 plus minus t minus t. So this is velocity. T equal to 0, velocity will be what velocity? So just very simple, t equal to 0 means v equal to alpha minus 2 beta of 4 minus 0. Alpha minus 2 beta of 4. Alpha minus 2 into 4 beta. Alpha minus 8 beta. This is the velocity. At t equal to 0, velocity will be this, and t equal to 0, acceleration is what? Again, differentiation with respect to t of the velocity equation. Now again differentiation. So when alpha differentiated with respect to t, 0, minus 8 beta also 0, and 2 beta of 1. So 2 beta. So acceleration is 2 beta. Clear? Thank you.